Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of How Logical. I'm back with another tutorial video on how to redeem a Starbucks gift card. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. If you'd like to redeem your Starbucks gift card, you'll need to go ahead and open up a web browser. And if you'd like to redeem your gift card for cash on Starbucks, then simply type in starbuckscardredemption.com and press enter. As soon as you do that, you'll end up at this page over here. If you'd like to cash out your gift card for Starbucks right away, click on the Get Started button. Now, type in your gift card number in the text box that appears on the display and enter your PIN number on the next field. Select your state and type in your zip code. After you're done, click on I'm Not a Robot and finally click on the Continue button. Soon after you do that, simply follow the on-screen prompts and you'll be able to redeem your gift card on Starbucks. That is how it is done. I hope the tutorial was helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.